P5. Welcome to the P5 class. How are you, my friends? You were in P4 and now you are in P5. We must thank God for this. Let's clap our hands to thank God and to congratulate ourselves. This is our first science lesson in P5 Term 1. We are going to learn about keeping poultry and bees. My name is Teacher Godfrey. We are going to learn the science of keeping birds. This science is not simply for passing examinations. No. You must learn how to keep birds so that you get eggs and eat them. So that you get eggs and sell them. So that you get the chicken and eat it. Yes, not simply for passing exams. Have you ever eaten chicken or turkey? Alright, that chicken you enjoyed was reared by somebody. Now, you are going to learn how to keep your own birds, to eat them, to eat their eggs, because eggs are good for our bodies. You'll also eat the meat of these birds. We can also use the feathers of the birds for many other things. Then later, who knows, you may write questions in an exam and pass the exam. But that's much later, after you have eaten the eggs and meat from these birds. This message is to the teacher and parent. Do not allow your children to be overloaded with information that is not in the NCDC syllabus. The primary 5 syllabus sets what the P5 child should learn about keeping poultry and bees. We must follow this strictly because it is what was found to be appropriate to this age. These are the things the P5 learners should do in this topic. Number 1. They are expected to identify different types of poultry. Number 2. To describe the external parts of a domestic fowl or domestic bird. Number 3. To identify the different types of chicken. And number 4. To describe the breeds of chicken. Number 5. To describe the system of keeping chicken. Number 6. To explain how to manage a poultry farm. Number 7. To describe the life history of bees. Number 8. To state the different types of bees. Number 9. To state the importance of bees. Number 10. To explain the condition and reasons for swarming. Number 11. To identify the types of bee hives. Number 12. To describe the different methods of harvesting honey. And number 13. And lastly, to explore how to manage a poultry farm. Hello P5. Our first lesson is called Naming Different Types of Poultry. Okay, now let us sing this song and learn the different types of poultry.
Chicken, guineas, and ducks, turkeys, pigeons, and geese are first of poultry we keep at home, the domestic birds. Comb and beak, wattle and wings, sickle, feathers, and the spot, legs, claws, scales, feet, and the toenails, parts of the full I know. Types of chicken that we know, broilers, layers that we keep, dual-purpose chicken types, types of chicken known. Breeds of chicken that we have, local or indigenous breeds. These breeds have been in our country for a very long time. Breeds of chicken that we have, exotic breeds from overseas, white leghorn, light Sussex, Rhode Island, red all are good. Hybrid also is a breed of the chicken that we keep, a crossbreed of local chicken and exotic ones. Keeping poultry for our food, droppings give us the manure, the feathers give us the costumes and make pillows too. Systems of keeping the falls, perpendicular free range, and boundary system is when we keep chicken in cage. Manage well your poultry farm, house them, feed them, treat the falls, control pests and vaccinate all that they will give you wealth.
Get a book and a pen and write the heading. The heading is Naming Different Types of Poultry. You have seen birds at home or in the neighborhood, not so? Let me find out whether you know the birds we keep at home. Listen to the sounds of these birds. What bird makes that sound? Write number 1 in your book and then write the name of the bird that makes that sound. Okay, which bird makes that sound? Now write number 2 and the name of that bird. Write number 3 and the name of the bird. What about this one? Write number 4 and the name of the bird. Which bird makes that sound? Write number 5 and the name of the bird. Okay, what was that? Okay, what was that? Correct. A cock. What was that? Correct. The turkey. And this one? Perfect. Fall. In some parts of this country, they call it enkofu. What do you call it in your local language? What about this one? Yes, that's a pigeon. And this one? Correct. That's good. Let's now sing our song as we end the lesson. In lesson 2, we'll be naming the external parts of a domestic fowl. Thank you.
Chicken, guinea fowls and ducks, turkeys, pigeons and the geese are fowls or poultry we keep at home, the domestic birds. Comb and beak, wattle and wings, sickle, feathers and the spot, legs, claws, scales, feet and the toenails, parts of the fowl I know. Types of chicken that we know, broilers, layers that we keep, dual purpose chicken types, types of chicken known. Breeds of chicken that we have, local or indigenous breeds. These breeds have been in our country for a very long time. Breeds of chicken that we have, exotic breeds from overseas, white leghorn, light Sussex, Rhode Island, red all are good. Hybrid also is a breed of the chicken that we keep, a crossbreed of local chicken and exotic ones. Keeping poultry for our food, droppings give us the manure, the feathers give us the costumes and make pillows too. Systems of keeping the falls, fork perpendicular free range, and boundary system is when we keep chicken in cage. Manage well your poultry farm, house them, feed them, treat the falls, control pests and vaccinate all birds, they will give you wealth.
Right. Can you name the young ones of these birds? Great. Thank you. You have been wonderful learners. In lesson 2, we'll be naming the external parts of a domestic fowl. Thank you.